Hello everyone, welcome to WebClass.in. This video explains the bulk enrollment of candidates and functionalities of training leaders. The candidates are uploaded into our system once they are provided by the AMC. Candidates can log in using their own email and password, which is system generated and sent to the candidate's email. Now, the candidates will log in via email and password as shown on the screen. If inputted correctly, you will enter the dashboard, which will show the course that they have to practice. Once you click on Enter Course, you are shown all the tests that you need to solve, and all of them will be graded. Clicking Enter on any assignment will open a page showing three options: Access Study Material, Access Mock Test, and Access Mock Test Result. Access study material is the content that the instructor provide like video, PDFs and other resources. Access mock tests contain all the questions that you need to solve. It can be both MCQ or written format. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find a list of numbers which corresponds to the question number. Those that have a blue background are those that have been attempted, while those with white are those that have been left unsolved. Clicking on any of the number will take you to said question. Once you are done with the test, click on Submit. If you have left any questions unsolved, an alert will pop up like the one shown on screen. If press Yes, the system will ask you whether you want to see the result and will send you to Access Mock Test Result, which shows all the answers with the explanation to the questions that have been attempted, but not for those that were not attempted. And then you will also see the score. Now, the training leader, TL, has the ability to see their students' result and how long they have been studying for. To log in, they must also write their email address and the password to enter the system. To check, they have to either put the employee ID, email, or phone number of the student and then press click here. Then you will be able to see the employee performance report, which shows the course they have been studying, the day they have been studying said course, the amount of time spent in on that course, their average attempt score, and number of tests they have done. When we scroll down, we can see the email employee performance report. This button, when pressed, will send the employee performance report to the training leader's email. If we scroll further, we can see the time spent on course by day graph. It shows the amount of time the student is studying each day. And the cumulative attempt score by day is another graph which shows the average score that the student has been attaining each day. For more details, please contact us through our email services@webclass.in. Thank you for watching. This is WebClass.in, where diligence meets brilliance.